reputation of FIG. The International Training Summer School started in 2010 and has the aim to illustrating the new technology, the survival with the new technology, and not only the training, but to the agora for the meeting of the different culture in the world. In fact, in my presentation that it's possible for you to find in my channel of YouTube or Facebook or in my social or in the site of coifa.it was all the countries that participated during this year. The International Training Summer School obtained the goal to the meeting of the different, not only young, but to the professor or the research in the field of the survey. And in Italy in particular of the category of survey that was called geometry. And the Consiglio Nazionale Geometry in Italy, through the person of Enrico, give the good support in the last 10 years about this summer school. And was the result that we obtained with the practical activity, with the new technology from the laser scanner, georadar, thermography, remote sensing, and all the technology that put the interest in the survey was used, and we explained the result that we obtained in the last 2 days. But I want to give you the particular attention that we depart from the origin, for example, of the photogrammetry, because today in every situation I listen that the people speak about the photogrammetry, but it's not photogrammetry, it's the homolog point, the technology, not the principle of photogrammetry, for example. And another part, very, very interesting, was to the connection with the finalization of the survey. What is the survey and what is the use of this survey? And this permits to obtain the cooperation of the people of the humanist field. But I am finished 5 minutes here, there are in my channel of Facebook, all the activity was explained. For example, in this moment we are in internet, one moment, okay. And this was the, there are the music, why don't
Vabbè, non c'è.